Hello people, and welcome to Crypto Exposed. Okay guys, let's get into it. We've got more fun and games going on with the bull run. It's absolutely amazing. HBAR is blazing as we was expecting it to do, and I've just got some more analysis from some chart readers here for you that I want to share, just to give you some ideas of where we're going here. Now, there's some that I'm going to just tell you, like things that I might not necessarily agree with, and some that I do think is a bit more plausible. But the point I'm just trying to show you is the overall sentiment, right? Because we are in the bull run now. This is where you've got to have a plan together, you know, what to expect, what kind of price targets are here, like what people are expecting, that kind of thing. And I'll add my little 2 cents in, but just know this is just my opinion as well. Same way it is with the chart readers. You know, chart readers are not guaranteed to be right, but one thing I will say is that they are reading charts, so they are having to do a little bit of skill to get to their conclusion. But that's one thing I will say, like, you know, not everyone's saying the same kind of price level, so some people could be reading the charts wrong, or it's just their opinion based on what they're seeing. So this is why I say, look, nothing's guaranteed here, but I'm just giving you the overall sentiment. The main thing that I will say, spoiler alert, is the sentiment is very bullish and that there's a lot more upside potential, and that's the main thing that I want to show you guys. So we'll get into it and then I can break this down a little bit further. So we have here Lucas, and he says Hedera is consolidating in a bull flag bullish pattern. Break of the pattern will take us to the new all-time high for HBAR. So straight away, great thing to hear there. Obviously, from where we are seeing the way it's operating, it does look like it's going for the all-time high, you know, like looking to breach that. We will see, time will tell, but, you know, straight away, that's a good start in terms of, you know, what we can expect. Okay, then we have Dart Defender. He says, our first analysis on HBAR on 20th of October 2022 predicted a 59% drop in price, whereas Hedera had 46%. Again, we expected the third wave to start after that drop. What we analysed and what has been realised is marvellous. HBAR is 18% up today and targets $7.52 in the midterm. Okay, my opinion on that, I'm not so convinced. $7 is quite high, to be honest with you, in my opinion. Obviously, again, this is just my opinion, but yeah, like, to see where we are now to get to $7, like, don't get me wrong, bull runs are crazy and you do get a lot of price action. But yeah, like, cause, you know, if you think about XRP, right? XRP is a top 10 cryptocurrency. It's currently in the top 3 spot now, I believe. And, people are saying that, you know, XRP might get to like $8 to $10. And XRP is a top 10 cryptocurrency by market cap. So, you know, you're then thinking that HBAR is going to get to that kind of level at this point. For me, in terms of this cycle, I just don't necessarily think that's as likely. But do I expect it to go up? Yeah, definitely. I'm still expecting it to move up. Again, this is just my opinion, my own personal speculation, but this is what I'm saying. Like, although I may not necessarily agree with like the figure here that he's saying, the target, the fact of the matter is that he's talking about HBAR going up. He's talking about it going further up to a new level of price discovery. And, you know, for me, in my opinion, that is one I am anticipating. So I do agree with that in general. Okay, let's move on. We have more crypto online, and he says, HBAR, it is possible that wave 4 is complete. The intraday low must hold to keep this thesis alive. Wave 5 should reach 47 cents. Yeah, man. So as I say, if we continue to manage this support and not, you know, have any kind of dramatic drops or anything like that, any dramatic retrace or anything like that, he's saying we could be looking to go to 47 cents next. And just to say, like, this is the thing, like, he's talking about this in terms of, you know, that's the next level. He's not saying that that's necessarily going to be the, you know, the final price point that HBAR reaches. He's saying that will be the next level, and then he's going to start to make another leg up to another level. So, you know, that's just kind of like a see where it goes from here kind of thing, right? But again, great to see. Okay, then we have Coinpedia Markets, and they say HBAR is on fire. Looks like Hedera is forming the same pattern as its last bull run when it pumped 2x from 3 cents to 57 cents. Once HBAR flips 17 cents resistance into support, it could even be on track to reclaim its all-time high of 57 cents in 2024. HBAR has surged 25.35% in just 24 hours. Yeah, man, like, this is what I'm saying. Like, this is what you get when you're in a bull run, guys. Like, this kind of activity it is very common. And so this is the kind of stuff that I was telling you to hold on for, because you know, this is what bull runs are made of, and this is what I was expecting would come. So this is what I was saying to you guys, like, I know you're worrying because the price hasn't moved and things like that, and you're getting frustrated, but you've just got to be patient. You know, patience is what is a big factor in terms of you making money with investing, just point blank period. Whether it's the stock market, the crypto market, you know, many things like paint, you know, art, stuff like that. You know, it's usually time that makes it get more valuable, that kind of stuff. So that's just a general mindset we've invested, and that's what I was trying to show you. Okay, just show you another one as well. We have HBAR Crypto here, and he says HBAR, easy 7x opportunity. Here's why now might be the perfect time to buy HBAR. Fib level 0.786 to 0.702. The price might move sideways in this zone for a while. It could take some time to break out, especially while Bitcoin is doing its thing and climbing to 120k to 140k. Once that happens, the HBAR bull run will take off. If HBAR just follows the purple section on the chart, a $2.10 price is almost guaranteed. Higher targets are possible, but let's keep it simple and realistic for now. hbarbarians, get ready for barbaric moves. Amazing. So yeah, $2.10, that's more reasonable for me. I'll be honest with you. Like, and you know, he did say it's almost guaranteed, and he did say almost just for the record, because, you know, I don't want to be showing anyone who's guaranteeing anything, because nobody can guarantee anything 100%. But he said almost guaranteed. Man, look, I do think $2.10 is reasonable. That to me is a lot more plausible, to be honest with you. So, in my opinion, I look at that, and that's a bit more what I would be like, you know. And again, I'll be honest with you, if it gets to $2, that's really good. Like, you know, that wouldn't be a disappointing run. That would be a really good run. So, we'll see if it gets to even that, because, you know, that would be a really good run in my opinion. But yeah, like, he's saying that this is possible. Man, fingers crossed, man. Like, if you've ever been in a bull run before, you know the kind of insanity that we're dealing with, and $2.10, it is reasonable. It is reasonable. Now, whether it will happen, I don't know for sure, but I'm just letting you know the kind of stuff that you can expect from bull runs, like what is, you know, reasonable and realistic. So, absolutely amazing stuff. Just one last one. Okay, here we go. We have Gripe Coin, and he says HBAR to $15. It's not a maybe, it's happening. Like and repost if you're not just getting a Lambo, you're upgrading to a whole new tax bracket. Okay, so obviously if you heard what I was just saying earlier about the $7 not really being the kind of target I'd be thinking, I think you know what I'm going to say about $15. If we're talking about this market cycle, in my opinion, it's not going to happen, guys. That's really outrageously unrealistic in my opinion. Obviously this is my opinion, as I say, but yeah, like $15 is a very big stretch. Like, I've even said, you know, $7 is like, you know, that's really high. But $15, like, that's, yeah, that to me, in my opinion, is just not going to happen. So I'm showing you this just to show you like a grounded perspective. But the main thing I do want you to get from all these chart analysts is no one's saying, hey, this is done. You know, HBAR is just going to start to drop in price now. The run is over. It's had its run and that's it now. Everyone is saying, yes, it's going to continue to go to the upside. So that's the main update that I want to share for you guys. Like, you know, you get an idea of what's meant to be support, what the resistance is and that kind of stuff. And so now you can, you know, obviously take this information in and help towards whatever you're planning to do in terms of making a target to sell and that kind of thing. But yeah, the main sentiment out here from all the analysts that I am seeing, the bull run is still in full effect, and, you know, HBAR has still got more room to go. So the main thing is more upside potential to go. Great stuff to see. Good luck, everybody. And that's a quick update for you. Thank you very much for watching this. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that bell. Take care.